Geographic and environmental facts. Size. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, covering approximately 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles, which is about 1.5 times the size of the United States. Climate. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, -89.2 degrees Celsius at the Soviet Union's Vostok station in 1983. Desert. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is classified as a desert due to its extremely low annual precipitation, which is less than 2 inches, 50 millimeters, per year in some areas. Ice coverage. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice, which contains around 70% of the world's fresh water. If all of this ice were to melt, global sea levels could rise by about 60 meters, 200 feet. Wildlife. Penguins. Antarctica is home to several species of penguins, including the emperor penguin, which is the tallest and heaviest of all living penguin species. Seals. The continent is also home to various seal species, such as the Weddell seal, leopard seal, and the crab-eater seal, which is the most numerous large mammal on Earth after humans. Whales. The surrounding Southern Ocean is rich in marine life, including several species of whales like the blue whale, humpback whale, and orca. Human presence. No permanent residents. Antarctica has no indigenous human population. The only people who live there are temporary residents, mainly scientists and support staff at research stations. Research stations. There are around 70 research stations scattered across the continent, operated by various countries. The United States McMurdo Station is the largest, capable of supporting up to 1,200 people in summer. Antarctic Treaty. Signed in 1959 by 12 countries, the Antarctic Treaty prohibits military activity, mineral mining, and nuclear testing on the continent. It promotes scientific research and protects the continent's ecosystem. Unique phenomena. 6 months of daylight and darkness. Due to its location at the South Pole, Antarctica experiences continuous daylight during the summer months, October to February, and complete darkness during the winter months, March to September. Auroras. The continent is a prime location to witness auroras, especially the southern lights, Aurora Australis, which light up the polar skies with spectacular displays. Historical facts. First sightings and expeditions. The first confirmed sighting of Antarctica was in 1820 by a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and Mikhail Lazarev. The first person to reach the South Pole was Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen in 1911. Blood Falls. A unique natural phenomenon in Antarctica is Blood Falls, where iron-rich, saltwater leaks from the Taylor Glacier, staining the ice red and creating the illusion of blood flowing from the glacier. Geological facts. Subglacial lakes. Antarctica has over 400 known subglacial lakes, with Lake Vostok being the largest. These lakes are buried under thousands of meters of ice and remain liquid due to the pressure of the overlying ice and geothermal heat. Antarctica remains one of the most mysterious and least explored places on Earth, offering endless opportunities for scientific discovery.